Oh no, no, no. I feel like my chin's a whole other person. I low-key feel like my face is a planet. This is sad. Today I have Mayra here, aka Mayra Touch of Glam, my twin. You're not gonna say hi or anything? Or I usually just like go into it like today we're doing this. Happy October 1st. Yes, we are related.
Y'all.
Hey y'all. Is it because I say y'all? No, I don't say it as often now. I feel like I say it a lot and I'm like, shut up. Every single person I meet, like YouTubers and stuff, they're like, you're a twin? Why haven't you juiced that? There's people on YouTube that fake having twins and we never juice this. We are idiots. We've always had our own separate channels. Mayra's basically a beauty guru and I'm on the family friendly side. She's a she's a mother.
She's a mother.
She's a mother of all Slimers. Let us know if you guys want us to do like some kind of channel together because I think it'd be so fun and they're actually the funnest videos to film. On Mayra's channel, we're actually carving pumpkins. I'm actually excited because low-key I feel like we don't know how to carve pumpkins. Wait, we carved pumpkins last year and that was a disaster. I carve pumpkins every year. I mean, for like the past 2 years. Y'all, this month is gonna be wild. I'm uploading every single day of October. This is our first day, sorry, just so that. Shut Mayra. Oh my god, just talk. Every time we film together, we can't do anything. This is why we don't have a channel together because we can't. So today we went shopping and we bought each other Halloween costumes. I feel like my vibe would be like more playful, silly vibe. Yeah, I feel like she would dress me up like in an avocado or something. You know what's so funny? I tried to get it and they were out of it that one. Opposite twins choosing each other's Halloween costumes. Let's bring them out. I'm gonna give you my costume first. I was going for, I'm scared, good girl. Good girl. But like bad girl. Oh. I feel like you would like it. All right. What? What? This goes on your head. I think it goes on your head. Good. I tried this on my fat ass bag. Literally my entire this is out in the bag. Turn around. Karina, this is like choking me, first of all. Why is it large but the neck is like one size? Ow, Mayra! Stop moving. Why is it so like cheap? Mayra, my face! You just stretch it back. Mayra, please. I think it's really cute, Mayra. Like a potato. It's a little short, like it doesn't cover your butt, but it's cute. Is it supposed to be loose? Like I could have sworn I saw that thing wide. Everything about it is so cheap. I mean, it's hard to even like breathe with this on. This is the thing. Like if y'all gonna make a large. Make the face an extra large too. If the body's bigger, the chin is probably bigger too. Or it's like just the chin that doesn't. Mayra, that's not how it goes. Mayra, it's not a snapback. It's not how it goes. I'm definitely giving this like a 2. I'm scared. Where's mine? Oh, here it is. Close your eyes. Of course. Of course. Really? The most basic costume. Alrighty. Wait, what do you mean? Oh my god! Go off, Mayra! I would pick the city first of all. Oh! She said Wonder Bread. Honestly, I don't know what size you got, but like I would have gone a size down. Yeah. Look how like I hate that it could have been a cute costume, but it's so thick, you know? I just think like it just looks really cheap. Like if it was just like snatched right here, you know, like it'd be fine. So I like it. I feel like it's super vibrant. I feel like this one you're actually gonna like it. This is yeah, it's cute. I don't know how I feel about her right now. I can't wait to get out of this. It's so hot. Come out wherever you are. Is it good? Do you like it? Your mark. Oh my god, that's so cute. No, I don't like it. She's cute. I like her. I hate the hat though. I feel like you would legit wear her. Right? Out of all songs, you like that song. I'll give this one a 9 just because. Oh my god. A 9? Okay, go on. Yeah, because it's cute, but like I would change the hat. Change the girl. I'm ready to get out of this. Please give me another
Okay.
costume. I'm over. Look at
Oh,
this.
shoot.
Look at that. Oh my. This is gonna go straight on my butt cheeks.
And then your fishnets.
Okay, so she's a bunny.
With black fish, I couldn't find white fishnets.
Why
You
is
can
that
finally
black
use
button?
that. I'm a bunny, Dad. I actually like the one I have on. I like want to keep it on.
Oh. I'm about to have the biggest camel toe of my life.
What's ripping? Let her out. Let her out. If she doesn't come out in 3, 2, 1, I'm breaking this door down. Let her out.
Oh no, 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 no. This is like the wrong everything. Wrong underwear, the wrong everything. This is just way too see-through in every way possible. This is literally tragic. I'm wearing the wrong underwear. I am gonna probably put a lot of stuff over me because this thing is so see-through, like I cannot physically show them. I would give this one a 7 out of 10 if it fit correctly and if I was wearing the right Spanx and the right everything, because this is tragic. I'm closing my eyes. This is your next costume.
What is that? Oh my god, I don't get it.
Put the bag
I don't
on
get
right.
it either.
There is like
You look like an astronaut. This is like expectations versus
Wait,
reality right
no,
here.
like, what is
It
this?
looked way better in the packaging. What?
Look at the legs.
You can't even tell what's going on. It don't look like, it doesn't look like anything.
For real, the bag is not supposed to square up. I'm confused.
Look at me, the screen.
That face,
Your costume is ruined.
What is this? This is not even squared in the bag.
I don't know why
I
the
can't
heck
tell
they
what
would
it is.
advertise it like that. I would be like, what are you supposed to be?
The legs of it all, though.
This
Looks
is the
horrible.
dumbest costume.
Please tell me you didn't pay over $100 for this.
I don't know how much it was.
Maya, it looks so much better in the picture. I'm so
It
mad.
looks like an astronaut mixed with
You did so
chocolate.
bad. The legs. Why?
Too
This
small.
is literally like non-functional, period. Oh my god.
Karina, I can't feel my legs.
Please tell me the next one is more covered up.
Be careful what you wish for. Open your eyes.
Oh my god. No, you did not.
I sure did.
These nylons are like ripped the house. Oh my god, the thing that just came up, Mayra. Mayra, wait.
Let me say.
Oh my god.
She did. Are you scaring yourself?
Oh shit. I can't see anything, dude. Hello? Karina, you look creepy. I can't see anything at all. You look scary. Karina, you look so terrifying.
She looks creepy.
I can't breathe. Close your eyes.
Okay.
This is the last one that I got.
Wait, who is this?
It's
Oh, that girl.
It's Bo Peep. What you mean? Bo Peep. Bo Peep.
You didn't even sure. What is this? You think you would wear that?
No,
That's
I
a
wouldn't.
lie.
That's. I told you
That's
that
a
I told you I was
lie.
gonna get the silly one.
Whatever.
You said my costumes were whack. What's up? Come on out.
Oh, no, you can't
Hold on. I think it's so cute. Mayra, that's a cute costume. It is so cute. I feel like she would wear this, huh, Brian? As a costume, like she would wear that.
I don't think
Yeah.
I would, to be honest with
Mayra,
you.
you. Mayra, Facetune.
Face.
With a little Facetune
So,
show.
what you're saying is I look crazy right now.
I think she's really cute. I think it's a really cute costume and you should wear it for something this year. You don't like it? What are you thinking about the costume?
That she needs to lose weight. I would give her a 6.
A 6?
I'm looking like a freaking niñota.
You know what? This video was crazy. I had lipstick on my eyebrows. I had my eyebrows on my chin. Like, this was part of your mask too. It's like, where to go? This was crazy. This was a lot of fun. Let me know if you want to see more of Mayra on my channel, or if we should work on something together, because we have been talking about doing a channel together for a bit because we always have so much fun filming. If we do make a twin channel or a sister channel, comment down below what comment down below what you
Let
would
us
want.
know in the comments.
Comment down below what you would want to see us do in other videos. And now let's carve some pumpkins onto Mayra Touch of Boo.
We will see y'all in my video. Peace.
See you guys later. Bye.